Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 21st of July, 2023. The benchmark equity indices fell on July 21st after 6 straight days of gains, after a few big companies disappointed market sentiments with their first quarter earnings. Weak global cues and selling from domestic institutional investors also hurt sentiments. At close, the NIFTY was down 234.20 points, or 1.17% at 19,745, and Sensex was down 887.64 points, or 1.31% at 66,684.2. The biggest NIFTY gainers of the day were Larsen & Toubro, ONGC, and NTPC. The losers included Infosys, Tech Mahindra, and Hindustan Unilever. Talking about the corporate segment, we have India's biggest cinema operator INOX is banking on Hollywood's Oppenheimer, Barbie, and unlimited popcorn to pack theaters after a string of Bollywood flops kept away those patrons who still favor going to the movies over streaming services, hoping to cash in on the global Barbenheimer craze. For the opening weekend, some theaters will also run an Oppenheimer movie marathon, with back-to-back shows over a 24-hour period. Combined advance sales for both movies for Friday to Sunday was 900,000 tickets, the highest for any film outside the Marvel or Avatar series. With 1,702 screens, INOX is India's largest cinema operator. Like their global peers, Indian cinemas are struggling to attract crowds due to the popularity of streaming platforms such as Netflix, and a series of flops from Bollywood. The Hindi film industry hasn't helped. The country's largest stainless steel manufacturing company has completed the acquisition of JINDAL United Steel. Earlier, the company held a 26% stake in JINDAL United Steel, and now it has acquired the remaining 74% equity stake in JINDAL United Steel for a cash consideration of 958 rupees crore. With this, JINDAL United Steel becomes a 100% subsidiary of JINDAL Stainless. JINDAL United Steel has been operating a hot strip mill of 1.6 million tons per annum capacity, and a cold rolling mill of 0.2 mtpa capacity. It is also undergoing capacity expansion up to 3.2 mtpa at Jajja, Odisha. Shares of Larsen & Toubro gained 3% on July 21st, hitting a lifetime high at 2,572.80 rupees, after the company announced its first share buyback in its history. L&T will discuss a proposal for equity share buyback, and a special dividend on equity shares for the financial year 2023-24, during its board meeting on July 25. Buyback of equity shares of the company in accordance with the provisions of the Companies Act, 2013 and SEBI, Buyback of Securities, Regulations 2018. Special dividend on equity shares for the financial year 2023-24. If approved, the record date for the purpose of determining the entitlement of the equity shareholders for the said dividend shall be Wednesday, August 2, 2023. The Federal District Court at Michigan has issued order on Fiat Chrysler Automobile's renewed motion to enjoin the post-2020 ROXA and has, based on its analysis, declined to apply the safe distance rule to this case as sought by FCA. Accordingly, FCA's motion to enjoin the post-2020 ROXA was denied. With this ruling, Mahindra Automotive North America, a subsidiary of the company, continues to have no restraints on its ability to produce, sell and distribute the post-2020 ROXA in the United States. The Global IT Solutions Organization has recorded profit at 165.3 rupees crore for quarter, ended June financial year 2024, rising 44% over previous quarter. Revenue grew by 2.4% sequentially to 2,221 rupees crore, while dollar revenue increased by 2.8% quarter-on-quarter to $271.8 million and revenue growth in constant currency was 2.7% quarter-on-quarter. The company announced highest ever order intake of $531 million during the quarter, and has reiterated FY24 annual revenue growth guidance of 13 to 16% in constant currency terms. DB Corp in daily time frame is trading around 230.6 points with a change of 16%, and is trading with a net volume of around 9.9 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 192.25, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 93.28. For stocks to watch, we have Divi's Lab looks good on current market price of 36.88. It can be bought at 3,690 rupees, keeping target of 3,891 rupees with stop loss of 35.44. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.